Hello everyone, greetings to each and every one of you depending on when you're coming across this video. So guys, this is the split unit air conditioner that was having leakage on the evaporator coil, which I made a video concerning it, and I show you how I was able to find leakage on the evaporator coil. So this is after I'm done brazing the leakage. So take a good look at how it is after brazing. So now I'll be coupling the unit because I didn't want the video to be too long, so I'll be making it part by part. So here the unit fell from where I kept it so that I will be able to couple it. So I have to pick it up and keep it again so that I will start coupling the unit. So I thank God that nothing happened to the unit when it fell down, so everything is still intact. So now I want to start by coupling the unit. So first of all, I have to make sure I fix everything the way it's supposed to be fixed. So yeah, but it's going to take me a little time for me to fix it because I have to dismantle it and service it properly, and this unit will be cooling as if you just bought a new air conditioner because I dismantle it. Look at the way I dismantle it and piece it. So guys, I did a nice job on this unit, so I have to clean everything and make sure everything is well okay. So here is the fan motor that I'm still trying to fix very well, because this fan motor actually there is a setting that is on this fan motor, and if you don't fix this fan motor very well, the fan motor will be, when you put on the unit will be making a lot of noise. So you really need to be careful when you're fixing this fan motor and make sure that is fixed at the right place. So here is the evaporator blower and is still the fan blower. So there is a screw there. I have to fix the screw and fix the evaporator fan where it's supposed to. So I have to make sure that the setting is okay. I have to turn it and make sure that the setting is very okay and is where it's supposed to. Then I'll start screwing it. So this is when I'm done tightening. So here is the another supporter of the fan blower. So I have to fix it the way it's supposed to. I roll it so that I will know if the fan is touching somewhere, but the fan is very okay. So here I want to start by fixing the evaporator base. So after fixing it, I will have to couple it where it's supposed to. Then after I'm done coupling this unit, I'll be taking it to install it. But I don't want this video to be too long. After I'm done coupling it, on my next video I'll be taking it to install it. And remember, this unit, there is no gas on the unit, so I'll still have to make a video how I was able to charge the unit very well and make sure that I show you how I was able to complete the job, and this job was very okay. So I have to make sure I put the screw where it's supposed to, make sure everything on this unit is well fixed. So this unit, the way it is now, if I finish charging gas on it, the cooling will be very active because I service this unit very well and make sure this unit is very okay. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to follow this page, like and share this video so that others can also see and benefit from this video. And don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel at Kingdom Technical Services, because that's where I post most of my videos. Thank you very much. So guys, I'm done coupling the evaporator. So now here is the panel that I'm fixing here. So after I'm done fixing the panel, I'll be coupling it. I'll be fixing the cover. Then the unit is ready for installation. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to put your own opinion under the comment section. Thank you.